How about camping for 24 bucks a night right here in Florida? That's right, we're talking about Big Cypress Natural Preserve at the Midway Campground. We're going to give you all the details on this campground, but first, let's take a look and see where it's at on the map. It's located just outside the Everglades, and it is midway point of Alligator Alley. That's right, I said Alligator Alley, and check this out. Just in this little tiny pond, there's 5 alligators just in this one little spot. And this area is also home of the Florida Black Panther. And notice the 2 speed limit postings that is there to protect those panthers. Alright, let's take a tour of the Midway Campground. There are 26 RV and 10 tent sites to choose from. All RV campsites are big rig friendly and can handle a maximum size of 45 feet. All sites are 30 amp electric, no water, and pet friendly. Yes, pets are allowed, but you gotta follow the rule of the pets are not allowed on the left hand side of the road, and that's because that pond is heavily populated with alligators. The campground also has 2 separate vaulted restrooms to choose from. Alright, starting with campsite number 1.
Site number 2. Site number 3.
And this is one of 5 small group shelters that you can use.
Site number 6.
This one, these sites have electricity. Do they have water?
They don't have water. You have to fill up at the water tank. That's where he filled up when he stayed here. What's his name? Site number 9. Site number 10. They all look about the same length, which means they don't look very long unless you're going over. And they're running their electricity over to this one as well. So they've got, no, they've got cords in both of them. Site 14.
The semi truck, they park right in here.
Yeah, number 14.
Yeah.
That first one.
Yeah.
Site
Walks
15.
on wheels, that's in there.
Site 16. Site 17.
Yeah, they don't want dogs on this side of the road.
Site
Gators are
18.
very aggressive.
There was a lot of trash left in that one, or a raccoon came out and got it. Site 19. Site 25. And the last site 26. These are tent sites down here with bear boxes, bear food storage boxes.
You do have a dump station over there. That's right, this park does have a dump station, and this is where you will fill up your fresh water tanks for some water during your stay. And finally, an overhead view of the campground itself. This is a really nice, cheap spot to stay if you are considering a place to stop when you're on your way in or on your way out of the Florida Keys. Want to make a reservation for this campground? Simply look up recreation.gov. I'll put the link of this campground down below in the description of this video. That'll conclude the tour of this campground. You should consider subscribing to our channel. You'll never know. We just may be guilty of adding to your bucket list. And as always, thanks for watching. Two for the road.